story about me. Many of you most likely don't know. I used to have a little chocolate candy business, and I would dip wine bottles in chocolate. Yes, wine bottles in chocolate. You break off the chocolate, and you eat the chocolate, and you drink the wine. It was a great little gift idea for people. I would also dip apples, Rice Krispie bars, pretzel rods in caramel, and then I would put white chocolate on them and milk chocolate on them, and I would drizzle, and I would put them in a pretty little bag with a pretty little ribbon and a pretty little tag. And I was nonstop making chocolate. Holidays, I started to really dislike the holidays. Christmas, I didn't have time to shop. All I was doing was making apples and pretzels as Christmas gifts. I ended up quitting that business because I couldn't do it all. I couldn't quit my job because it wasn't consistent enough to make money. Not everything works in the business world. It's okay. It started as a fun little hobby. It turned into a job. I ended up actually hating it because it was so much work. You have to do the dishes. You have to order the bags. You're constantly looking for new ideas. And it was just kind of a pain. I was charging $8 an apple, dipped in caramel, 2 layers of chocolate, drizzled, all pretty. And I sat down one day and thought, you know what? I should probably see if I'm making money. Because it started as a hobby, got busier, and I timed myself. How long did it take me to make one apple from beginning to end? How much chocolate was on there? How much caramel was on there? I weighed after everything. I had a stick in the apple. I had bag. I had ribbon. I had a little tag. I had a little clip that held the tag on. I had a little stamper that I had to stamp an expiration date on because, yes, I had to be FDA legal and approved. And then I counted my time, not even including me doing dishes and traveling to get stuff and ordering stuff. I counted my time at the hourly rate I was getting paid at my job. And guess what? I was losing money. I was making these things for free. And I thought, well, that's stupid. I can't be charging $8 an apple. I need to go to $13 an apple. So I didn't go from like 8 to 9 to 10. No, I went from 8 to 13. All I could see is I was losing money. That was stupid. So I charged $13 an apple. And guess what happened? The cheap people said, I don't want to pay $13 an apple. Guess what my response was? Thank God, because I don't want to make them. I am not going to stand, shake chocolate off, have carpal tunnel issues, miss out on my kid's life, be standing and working until 9 o'clock every single night, hating the holidays so that I can give you a free apple. I am in this to make money, not to lose money. Guess what else happened? The people that really wanted that candy paid whatever they could to get it. Today, I will do it just for fun, and it happens probably once every 5 years. I used to charge $2.50 a pretzel rod for one pretzel rod. Now I charge almost $4 a pretzel rod. And guess what? All of our friends buy them because they never get them. It is a luxury at this point. But because they know they are not going to be able to find anything equally as good, and no, you will not be able to find anything equally as good. Because of that, people would pay. And what did I do? I just got the clientele that loved it and was willing to pay for that. Know who your client is. It is no different than today. I will not meet with you unless you read one of my books or Nelson's book. Not happening. You are not getting through the iron gate. I'm not selling you anything. I am trying to teach you something. I know who my clientele is. I know who my ideal client is. And I know that I'm not going to work for free. Look at your books, figure it out. What is it actually costing you to do a job?